thogora ya shilingi ya Kenya ikiringithanio na dola.
Main drivers or prices into our country. The first one is the international price of oil in the international market, which is published every day internationally. That price, as you know, has risen because of Russia and maybe currently because of this Israel situation. Would you do anything to that as a non-producer? You cannot do anything about that. So that price at the moment is high. The second issue which affects the price into this country is the exchange rate. The Kenya shilling, as we all know, has depreciated. So when you multiply that number of dollars, that depreciating shilling, you will see a higher price.
Mwema maundu maria mekirirwo rito nderetine ino nete kamiti ya Senate nendire kumenya uria kambuni cia maguta cionaga mbeca na kuria maigaga mbeca ciao kuria macokio mauma ati bengi ya KCB niyo inyitiriire kambuni ici igacokwo ni bengi ya na Diamond Trust.
Have you onboarded other financial institutions or you are only dealing with KCB?
So the three banks which have signed the deed of adherence are I&M Bank, Diamond Trust Bank and UBA Bank.
Ona gukirwo guo kambuni cia maguta ni ciranire ati ni kuri na maguta makuigana guku bururi-ini makiuga nimarageria gwikira mitaratara mirumu niguo gutigirera thogora wa maguta ni ikuruka gwa kahinda gatari kuraya.
One time we have a ship in Mombasa waiting to berth and discharge, so there is enough petroleum in the country. Secondly, on the issue of the dollar, I think once you go through the document, there's a document called the tripartite agreement, you will understand the structure. So we kindly request that let your committee have a look at the document first, then we stand guided after that. Thank you.
Kambuni ya Muzingi TV ni Thogora wa Jugu.
Nĩ ngatho ng'endo wa Njogu nĩ tondũ wa riboti ĩyo na rĩu ndĩrakĩenda ningĩ tũgĩcokerere ciĩgiĩ igeranio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na nĩ atĩ ũmũthĩ